Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial using another Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I went today to Walmart and I got two more because the last video that I did, I really loved how the dupe for the Mother Renaissance worked, so I wanted to try another two. So I'm going to start with this hickory eyeliner as a base, and I'm gonna blend it out, and then yeah, I'll work with it. Alright, so now that I look crazy, I'm going to be applying this color over here on my crease as a transition shade with a lot more bigger brush. So now I'm gonna add this color over here to the crease also, because that nude color didn't do much. So I'm gonna apply it on the crease. Alright, so I kinda wanna use this cranberry shade over here. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of that one in the crease also. So now I'm gonna apply the black shade over here on my lid, and I'm gonna blend it out upwards. We'll see. Alright, so I'm gonna apply some mascara, which I'm gonna use the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Okay, so to prime my face, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer for my redness, and I'm gonna apply it wherever I am kinda red. Ooh. And now Alright, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of the Make It Last setting spray from Milani, just a little bit. Foundation, which I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in bronzy beige. I'm gonna apply it on my face and I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so to contour my face, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. I'm gonna use a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand. Right, yeah, Light Sand. I'm gonna apply it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin. You guys will see. Alright, so now I'm gonna bake using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. To bronze up my face, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, I don't know how you pronounce it, so whatever. So for blush, I'm gonna use the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Party. I'm gonna apply it on my cheekies. So back to the eyes, I'm gonna apply the same colors I apply to my eyes. I'm gonna apply on my lower lash line. I'm gonna start with this one, then going with this one, and then with the burgundy color, and lastly with the black. Alright, so for my lashes, I'm going to use first the voluminous mascara primer, and then I'm going to use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise on top. Okay, so for highlight, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero collab glow kit, which I haven't used in a long time. So I think I'm gonna be using probably Glow Getter over here, maybe a little bit of Kitty Cat over here. Both of them mixed. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of my Make It Last spray. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to line my lips with my Jordana pencil in the shade Rock and Rose, as always. If you guys hear in the back some voices, it's because Alex, it's playing. Going to be using Naughty from ColourPop. This one. On top of that lip color, I'm gonna use a lip gloss also from ColourPop. It's called We Ho, which I think it means West Hollywood. I might be wrong, but it's called WEHO. WeHo. So I'm gonna apply it all over my lips. To set my face, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. makeup mist and set. So as you can see, guys, this is the final result. I really like this eyeshadow palette. It was really nice. This color, like, it didn't have a lot of pigment, but I mean the other ones work perfectly fine. I didn't try any of the shimmer shades, so I think I'm gonna swatch them for you so you can at least see how they work. They're really nice colors. And again, this eyeshadow palette, it's even cheaper at Walmart than Target. I got the first one from Target and it was $5, but still, like, they're really nice palettes and they're less than $5. So if I were you and you're looking for really good eyeshadows that work as high-end eyeshadows, I would just go for this ones. You can also watch my video reviewing this one. I'll leave the link over here so you can go and watch it too. But this one was a really good dupe for the Modern Renaissance, and I think that this one is a really good one for Soft Glam, because I remember seeing a few colors similar to this one's. And like, spend your money on this, you won't regret it. And I did a really nice smoky eye. You can get a lot of more looks out of these colors. That you can get more like a burgundy type of color. You can get more like a everyday makeup look with these colors right here. So you can do a few looks over here. You can do a just like a smoky eyeliner with the black. You can do a few stuff with this. So I think it's a must-have for me. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I don't usually do black smoky eyes, but I wanted to do something different so you guys have a few looks to go out on a day night or just to go party. This will be a really nice look. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends so they can see what kind of look they can get for a night out. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see all my videos coming up soon, which I'll try to post twice a week. I'll do my best to post twice a week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.